Hello friends, welcome to my channel Financial Bay. Today I'll tell you how to apply personal loan in ICICI Bank. As you all know, personal loan is a very unique loan and it is required by anyone, anytime, any point of time you may require that loan. So let's go to our screen. In Google, we have to type www.icicibank.com. Here you have to click on this option, go for the loans, popular loans, personal loan. Through no more criteria, you can check your eligibility. Approximate interest you can keep it as 10.5%, tenure they have given, you can adjust it, the loan amount and all, and through this they will tell you the monthly EMI or total repayment. Now going back, again to apply you will go to this options, you have to click on apply now option. Then there are 4 steps. In personal information you have to fill all the details, where do you live currently, your date of birth, first name, last name, mobile number. If you have an account with ICICI Bank, you can mention this type of employment, and then there is a declaration that I have provided above. The information is accurate and complete, so you can check your eligibility. Apart from this, there is one other option of personal loan. If you have an ICICI Bank account and if you are eligible, and they are providing you Insta PL offer. If you go to these options, going back to www.icicibank.com, Insta PL means loan amount will come into your account in not less than 3 minutes. Yes, you heard it right. Popular loan, Insta loan. Okay, so Insta PL also you can apply from here. So thank you guys, hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more such updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.